Howdy, I'm Vice Grip. I've trained all my life and never
So
done
this
much
guy
with
is
training,
not
so
Old Head.
now
This
that
is
these guys are here,
actually
I got a chance
Vice
to do
Grip. Is
something
what
with
his
it.
name is. But Vice Grip has been fighting
I'm Vice
for a
Grip, I'm
while in the
56, wanna know in the
scrapyard.
scrapyard. I've had
Like,
a
he's
belief all my
always
life that
got a fucking
50-something comeback
nasty
thing is a
knockout or
terrible
two
idea,
hidden
but
up his
here I am doing it
sleeves.
anyway, so let's see how it works out.
Oh, laid me down.
Stay off my lawn.
Now,
I'm
Vice
Vice
Grip.
Grip, and why
She's
I
got
oughta.
to do. She's got to talk and do.
Vice Grip back for
That's
the
not what we
rematch.
practice.
Last time I was here, I took an L.
Come
but I'm
on.
not sore about that.
All right, let's
This
go,
time,
Vice
if I
Grip.
fall on my face,
Practice.
there's
We
only going to be
practice
one
this.
person taking the blame.
Let's rock it.
And I'll say who that is at the time because
This
it's
is
sure
gonna be a
as the
good
fuck ain't
knockout.
going to be
I
me.
feel it.
All right, let's
I
start
feel
this
it.
thing.
Well, it was a good knockout. You just